Have you ever wished Claude Code could work directly inside IntelliJ IDEA instead of constantly switching between your terminal and editor? Well, in 2027, that's exactly what you can do. Claude Code now integrates directly with IntelliJ and other JetBrains IDEs, allowing you to generate code, refactor projects, review changes, fix bugs, and even analyze entire code bases without leaving your IDE. The integration includes native diff viewing, automatic code context sharing, diagnostics, and much more.
In this video, I'll show you how to connect Claude Code with IntelliJ IDEA. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the setup, let's quickly understand what Claude Code actually is. Claude Code is Anthropic's AI coding assistant that runs from your terminal and can read your project, analyze code bases, write code, refactor existing code, run commands, fix bugs, generate tests, and explain unfamiliar code. Think of it as having a senior developer sitting beside you who understands your entire project. And now, thanks to the JetBrains integration, it works directly inside IntelliJ IDEA.
Before installing anything, make sure you have IntelliJ IDEA installed on your machine, preferably the latest version. And also, you need to have installed Claude Code CLI so that your IDE should already be able to run the Claude command in your IDE's integrated terminal and connects to it.
Once these are ready, we can move to the installation process. Open IntelliJ IDEA, go to the Plugins section, and search for the Claude Code plugin in Marketplace. You will find this Claude Code Beta plugin from the Anthropic PBC. Install the plugin by clicking here. Make sure you install the official plugin, and before installing any plugin, must read and verify it properly to be safe and secure. Don't trust any unofficial plugin. It may be risky for you and your personal data. This video is for educational purpose only, and I followed the Claude Code official documentation. I will put all the necessary link in the video description so that you can read it. After installation, restart IntelliJ IDE. This step is important because many users skip the restart and wonder why the integration doesn't appear. After restarting IntelliJ, at the beginning you will need to create a new project. Or if you've already created, just open the project to get started. You should see Claude Code integration available inside the IDE. There are multiple ways to launch it. You can click the Claude Code button in the IntelliJ interface. Look, here is your Claude Code interface. Right now you can see I am using Opus 4.8 model running. If you use it for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in when you run Claude. Claude Code works with any paid Claude subscription, Pro, Max, Team, or Enterprise, or a Claude console account, and no API key is required. So if you have paid Claude subscription, just log in and then you will see this interface. Let me show you a second way to launch Claude Code inside IntelliJ. Look, here is the terminal icon. Simple click here to launch your terminal, then type Claude and press Enter key. Boom. You will see the exact same Claude Code interface you have seen before. If Claude launches successfully, congratulations, the integration is working. Let me try to say hi and see if it's working or not. Look, it's replying you back. Now I will try to build a landing page using Claude Code here. I will prompt this and wait for a few seconds to get everything done for me. Wow, it's working. It's generating code for me, and here is the website it made for me. Looking beautiful, right? If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments, what project are you planning to build with Claude Code inside IntelliJ?